Thank you, Julia. I love my hair.
Before you hear that nice compliment, we have been through a long journey. So let me tell you the story, how they shortened the time to find a trusted hair factory. It's Julia today. Hello everyone, my name is Julia, hair expert at K Hair Factory in Vietnam. I have been working in this field for over 5 years, and I meet a lot of customers and help them to grow their business together. But recently, there are a lot of scammers out there. Today, I'm gonna tell you the story about one of my customers before she go with K Hair and the journey for her to find a trusted hair factory. So my friend is a hair vendor in Nigeria. She wants to start her business, but she is she start to searching on the internet and she tried with a hair company in Vietnam, but after transfer money they blocked her and she never got that hair. She cried a lot and she feels so bad about Vietnam hair, and she tried to transfer to China. She ordered the hair with her friend in China, but when received the hair is tangled and shedding a lot, and she must throw that hair just one time after using. She decided to try with the hair business the last time, and at that last time she found my phone on Instagram. She connect and starting to chat up with me on WhatsApp. At first she asked me a lot of questions about the hair, the payment, and all the things. I even video call with her to show her hair, but she still feels so daft and unbelief in me. And you know what? I and her do the video call for the whole weeks, for every day. I call her to show how we check the hair, how the packet of the hair and how the hair is shifted. And after that 1 week, she feels so satisfied and start to order and sample order. And after 2 weeks, she received our hair and she is really happy with the hair she got. In the next order, she ordered 100 kgs and she earned all the money back, and the money that she got from selling hair is double than the money that she spent to buy our hairs. That customer, she feel really happy about that, and she just wished that she knew me before.
Hello ladies, hi. So I just want y'all to tell y'all about K Hair Factory. I got my hair from Julia, which is I purchased some good beautiful hair from her. I love this hair. It's so even, it's beautiful, it gets so much body. I really enjoy this hair. Well, I want y'all to shop with Julia, K Hair Factory. She's a very good person and she will give you the best quality of hair. So shop with Julia. Thank you guys for this video. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find a hair business, why do you have to waste your time on the scammer and the bad company out there? Choose the big brand like K Hair Factory. We will help you to build your business, and we will guide you how to sell your hair and how to grow your business bigger and bigger. If you want to go fast, go alone, and if you want to go far away, go together. And I wish that I can be the one that together with you to grow your business. Thank you everyone. If you're interested in the hair vendors, if you want to find a hair factory, please contact me on the WhatsApp number below and I'm gonna help you on that journey. Julia, go with K hair. Thank you everyone.